Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer Limited and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power moonroof is not working. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2015. Now you will have a total of 2 fuses to check. One will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood and the other one will be in a small fuse box just under the steering wheel. So like I said, the first fuse will be in a fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here, very easy accessible. Now to lift the cover, you will have 2 black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. You want to check fuse number 20, which is the blue 20 amp fuse located right here. And this is actually our main power sunroof moonroof fuse. Now the second fuse, it's a bit harder to access. It will be located under the steering wheel, just up here on the upper left corner. Now first you will have a cover here to remove. My Ford doesn't have it, it came without it. I just bought it at the auction. Now to remove the cover, you'll have these 2 screws which are actually holding this cover, and one here. Just want to remove them and pull the cover off, and then you will get access to all of the fuses down here. Okay, so I'll turn on the flash on my phone. You'll have to squeeze inside here. I hope you'll be able to see what I'm doing. Now the fuse will be located just behind this fuse box cover. As you can see, again, on top of the fuse box cover you have small fuse diagram. To remove the cover, there are 2 black tabs, one here, one on the top. You want to press them at the same time and pull it off. Okay, and here's the cover. And right here on the back side of the cover there is supposed to be a small white fuse puller, which I'm missing for some reason. But yeah, that's it. And now you have access to all of the fuses. Okay, and the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number 38, which is a small 10 amp red fuse located here. And those are the 2 fuses responsible for power to the moonroof. If both of these fuses are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper, maybe start looking towards the power moonroof switch, power moonroof motor, or a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.